Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're interested in working with data in Python, whether it's for data science, analysis, finance, research, or anything else, you've come to the right place. This is the first video in a series where we're going to dive deep into Pandas, one of the most powerful and popular libraries in the Python ecosystem. In this very first video, we'll answer two fundamental questions. What exactly is Pandas? And more importantly, why should you use it? We'll also quickly cover how to get it installed and imported, so you're ready for the next video. Let's get started. So what is Pandas? At its core, Pandas is an open-source Python library built specifically for data manipulation and analysis. Think of it as a superpowered version of a spreadsheet, like Excel or Google Sheets, but integrated directly into your Python workflow. It provides easy-to-use data structures, primarily the series, for one-dimensional data, like a single column, and the data frame, for two-dimensional data like a whole table with rows and columns. We'll explore these in detail soon, but just know they are designed to make working with labeled and relational data intuitive and efficient. Okay, but why is it so popular? What problems does it solve? If you have data in rows and columns, Pandas is your best friend. It makes selecting, filtering, sorting, and modifying this kind of data incredibly straightforward. Forget writing complex code to read files. Pandas lets you load data from various formats like CSV files, Excel spreadsheets, databases, and more with just a single line of code. Saving your processed data is just as easy. Real-world data is often messy. Pandas provides excellent tools for finding and handling missing values, those dreaded nans, dealing with duplicates, changing data types, and transforming data into the format you need. Need to calculate summary statistics? Group data by categories and perform calculations? Combine data from multiple sources? Pandas has powerful functions for grouping, merging, joining, and aggregating data to uncover insights. Pandas has first-class support for time series data, making it invaluable for analyzing trends, dates, and time-based information, especially in finance. It plays nicely with other key Python libraries like NumPy for numerical operations, Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization, and scikit-learn for machine learning. Pandas data frames are often the starting point for these other tools. Now you could try doing some of this with standard Python lists and dictionaries, but trust me, for anything beyond the simplest tasks, it gets complicated fast. Let's look at a quick example. See how much more code it takes to, say, calculate the average of a column using basic Python compared to Pandas? Pandas gives you concise, readable, and often much faster ways to achieve the same results when working with data. All right, convinced? Let's get it installed. Pandas isn't built into standard Python, so you'll need to install it using Python's package manager pip. Open your terminal or command prompt and simply type pip install pandas. Press enter, and pip will download and install Pandas and its dependencies, like NumPy. Once installed, you need to import Pandas into your Python script to use it. The standard convention, which you'll see everywhere, is to import it with the alias pd. In your Python script, just add this line at the top. Import Pandas as pd. Now, whenever you want to use a Pandas function or object, you'll prefix it with pd, like pd data frame, which we'll see in future videos. This pd alias just makes the code shorter and is universally understood in the Python data community. And that's it for our introduction. We've covered what Pandas is, a core Python library for data manipulation and analysis, why it's essential. It simplifies loading, cleaning, transforming, and analyzing data, how to install it, and how to import it. In the next video, we'll dive straight into the first fundamental Pandas data structure, the series. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.